But in 1983, I found a job at the Moline Correctional Center. Never did I think I would end up staying there another 32 years, but it turned into a career. What we did during that period of time by repurposing our mental health facilities in the prisons was one of this nation's biggest shames, I think. You know, a lot of people don't realize this, but that prison, initially when it opened in 1981 and was repurposed from it had been a mental hospital for, I think, 70, 80 years before they repurposed it. They actually had to build a fence at that facility not to keep those people in, but they had to build it to keep people out. Because what they did was they threw hundreds of people out in the streets, and they tried to get back up there. For some of them, it was the only place they knew. It was where they got their food, their medicine, their clothing, their shelter. And they were just thrown out in the cold. Anytime we invest in warehousing criminals, which is what we decided to do, we started locking people up in record numbers. We had to invest in that. We had to disinvest in mental health. And it's just not acceptable. I would wager to say that probably 45 to 50% of the people that are locked up in our prisons and our county jails would really be better served in a mental health facility. The pandemic has exacerbated the situation. It's made it even worse. I think everybody in this room knows people that are suffering with mental health issues, in particular with what's happened in the last 2 years. I'm running for a lot of reasons, but basically the reason I'm running to be state rep in the 72nd District also is because I think that here in Illinois the last couple of years, we've done a wonderful job of really looking out for organized labor and workers' rights. We've done a really great job of protecting a women's reproductive rights and a woman being able to make a choice. We need to put that same energy into ensuring that we do what we can to make sure that every single person in our district in Illinois has the ability to get to mental health help.